Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. Today I'm going to be talking about the I1045, the 6-piece metric go-through ratchet spanner. The go-through ratchet spanner is designed so you can tighten or loosen bolts with long threads. Also, because of its slim profile, it is perfect for those hard to reach places where sockets just can't go. Made from CRV steel, it is both strong and durable. This is a great spanner for all your DIY needs, auto repairs, garden maintenance, and anywhere else that you can't fit a socket. The spanner will fit most popular sizes of nut, from 9mm, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17 and 19mm, and it's a piece of cake to change it. Just remove the spanner, pick what size, so let's go for 13mm, and pop that in. For the smaller sizes, you just change and use the smallest one, which is 14mm, and you can put in your 10mm like so. So here I have a 19mm nut, which I try and use a socket to tighten it. The socket is much too long for it, and by adding the ratchet I can't get anywhere near the nut. That's when you would use your go-through spanner. So this is 19, put it on there, go straight over the bolt, and I can loosen it or flip it over and tighten it. So as you can see now, I've got a 10mm nut which the socket will go onto, but there's no way of attaching the ratchet. If I try and put it on, it's going to come nowhere close to the nut. So by using the 14mm side with the 10mm attachment, I can now go on to the nut and undo it. As you can see on this awning, to tighten this bolt up here would be virtually impossible with a socket. But using the go-through spanner with the 13mm attachment, I can get it in there and tighten up. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com, and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.